Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment for running web applications outside the client's browser. Node.js runs on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS X, etc. It uses JavaScript on the server. Whether you want to install React.js, Angular, or you want to install some dependency, you will need Node.js and npm, which stands for Node Package Manager. In this video I will show you how to install Node.js in Windows 11. Same steps can be followed for Windows 10. So, let's get started. Open your browser and type Node.js in google.com. Now click on Node.js. Here, you can see there are two versions, LTS, which is recommended for most users, and Current, which is the latest version. LTS stands for long-term support. Click on LTS version to download. It may take some time to download Node.js, depending on your internet connection. Please wait for the download to complete. Node.js has been downloaded. Now open the folder. Now, double-click on the setup file to start the installation process. The Node.js setup wizard has been opened. Now, click on Next. Here you can see End User License Agreement. If you want, you can read it. Now, click on I accept the terms and click on Next. Here, you need to choose the destination folder for Node.js to install. Default is C drive. Click on OK. Now, click on Next. Here, custom setup will be displayed. Now, click on Next. Here, you can see Tools for Native Module screen. If you want to install tools like Chocolatey, you can select the checkbox. Now, click on Next. Now, the final step to install Node.js. If you want to make some changes, then click on Back or just click on Next to start the installation process. Here, a Windows pop-up will be displayed. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes and the installation process will be started. Node.js has been installed successfully. Just click on Finish. Now, to check the Node.js and npm version, open your terminal or command prompt. Type Node-v, and it will display the Node.js version which you have installed. Now, type npm-v, and it will display npm version. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.